by the way you stare.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and most importantly, welcome to part 2 of our bedroom makeover design series. Okay, I'm taking you all on a journey with me as I turn an empty space into this luxury, scrumptious bedroom that you see today. Okay, but before we do the reveal, you can see it's a little blurred out because I don't want to give too much away, right? But y'all see the progress. It's not done yet, but by the time we get to the reveal, it will be done. In today's video, we're going to be doing some upcycling of some furniture. So I'm going to take you guys again back in time to 2 years ago when I first moved into my house. I did move into my house with starter furniture that I got from my apartment. Okay, when I lived in my apartment, a person actually kind of gave me all of their furniture because they were moving out of the country. So a lot of it, again, was, you know, hand-me-down furniture. It is what it is, right? But one way to, I'll just say this. Buying a home is expensive, right? Furnishing a home is even more expensive. So take your time, but use what you have and upgrade it until you're ready to completely upgrade your furniture and buy new things, right? So one of the things that I did to kind of upgrade my room on a budget was start with what I had. And I started with nightstands, and I'm gonna put them up. I believe they came from Amazon. They were just kind of black, boxy, basic nightstands, right? I then decided to purchase an Ikea dresser that initially was in my design studio, but I was like, I actually need more dresser space and more closet space. So like I moved it up here. But obviously my nightstands were black. This Ikea dresser that I purchased was white. And I'm like, they had a similar shape in terms of it just being rectangle and, you know, and so I was like, how can I make these, mesh them together so that it actually looks like a set that complements my bed, right? So I'm not gonna give it away what I did, but let's go ahead and get into the video so I can show you guys how I did it, and then we'll hop back. These nightstands came from my apartment, got them for free, did not pay for these. Someone gave them to me as they were moving out. And I'm like, instead of buying new nightstands, how can I like refurbish, renovate my current nightstands that I have, right? So the reason why you see this paper here is because I bought this pill and stick wallpaper a long time ago, and I was like, you know what, let me dust this thing up. I never did anything with this, but now I'm toying with the idea of wrapping my nightstands with this paper because I like the paper. The color of this complements the bed. Okay, I need y'all to stay with me. Okay, the color of this, I don't really want black in my room. I want to stay in this family because it gives me color but subtle. You know what I'm saying? Same as my leggings. I did not plan this, guys. I did not plan this. You know what I'm saying? But this is the vibe. This is like this warm kind of like chill vibe that is going on in my room. So we're about to wrap this. We're about to wrap both of them to see how this actually looks. The second update is, ta-da! Oh, don't mind the mess. Still trying to just figure things out. But what I thought about was, this is the only thing that's white, right? At first I was thinking, when I brought this up here, I was like, okay, now I need white nightstands. But I was never really a fan of white furniture in my bedroom either. And don't worry, this is gonna be like an accent wall. So this is gonna be painted, covered, something's gonna happen on this wall. But I feel like before I know what color the wall is gonna be, I need to figure out the furniture, right? So hear me out. What I'm thinking is, this is probably going to be so easy to cover using peel and stick wallpaper, right? Because I'm looking at it, it's all flat surfaces. So I'm thinking, if I'm going to go ahead and cover these nightstands, I'm going to just cover this as well so that it all matches. And then whatever, I'm going to get new handles. Whatever handles I get for the nightstands, I'm going to buy the same knobs and also put them on here so that it looks like all of this furniture blends together. So I'm gonna be doing some DIY stuff with the furniture that I have just to make it blend a little bit better. Okay, so I'm kind of excited for that. And the good thing I love about peel and stick paper, you guys, is that, you know, if I don't like it, I could just easily take it off and no harm, you know what I mean? No harm, no foul. So using the peel and stick wallpaper to wrap the side table was so easy. And actually it was very therapeutic. It's almost like wrapping a gift. I love wrapping Christmas presents, so it was just like super easy, and I think it was because of just the shape of it all. For whatever reason, I lost the footage of me wrapping my dresser, which actually took the longest time. So I am unfortunately not able to show that. However, I can show you all the finished product. So it actually came out really nice. Again, it looks super sleek. I love the color, and it complements nicely with my bed. It's just very beautiful, y'all. Like, this was such a great idea. And again, once I add the pulls on it, the gold pulls, like, it will just elevate this even more. I don't think I'm gonna do the legs anymore, but this was just great. This is how it turned out. All right, you guys, so these are the pulls that I actually ordered. I got these from Amazon, and I actually ordered them in 2 different sizes, as you can see. So I already kind of replaced these. That was easy because it has holes in it. This is the other mound dresser that we're doing that is just, there's no holes. So I need to drill holes, excuse the mess on top, but I need to drill holes here to then add it, so then it can look like the set. But this is the wallpaper that I use. I actually picked up this wallpaper from Walmart, believe it or not. I do not remember, this was like 3 years ago, y'all. I don't remember the name of the wallpaper. I don't even know the color, but all I know is the color matches my bed frame very nicely, right? So like, can you see the vision? Look at the vision. So can you see, again, excuse the mess on the dresser. I really just wanted this to look like a set. This was actually donated to me, this nightstand. So I just wanted it to look like a set so that it matches the actual bed frame. So let's go ahead and drill these holes. Again, don't know what I'm doing, but we're gonna figure out as we go, and then we'll just see what happens after that. So what I would say for anyone who is interested in adding pulls to this IKEA dresser, it will be good to get one of those laser lights so that you can make sure that the lines that you do are straight. I did try my best. You can see I had all types of rulers and measuring tapes. I did try my best just to make sure that my handles and everything was straight. I am somewhat of a perfectionist when it comes to that. However, at the end of the day, some of them were crooked, okay? And I feel like if I had that little light laser thing, that would have made it so much easier. But to be honest, like, you can't really tell if you stand from afar. And again, this is just like IKEA. This is me upcycling. Like, it's not that big of a deal that it's not like super straight. But yes, that is a big tip. If you are doing this, please get a laser light so you can make sure that you are making straight lines and straight, you know, holes when you drill them into the dresser. So that is it, you guys. I am obsessed with how this came out. I am so obsessed. Like, literally in real time, you guys can hear it a little bit. I know some people say I talk too much in my videos, but the reason why is because I'm really thinking in real time, and I want you guys to follow my thought process. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it's important. So I'm super obsessed. I think the peel and stick paper, again, I got this peel and stick paper from Walmart. Like, I literally walked into the store. I didn't order it online. I walked into the store, saw this peel and stick paper, and I had it for a really long time before I did anything with it. And who knew I was gonna cover my furniture? I think that's a great way if you don't want to paint and sand and do all these things to make it a little bit messy. And again, 3 years later, you guys, the peel and stick paper is still holding up very nicely. Now, granted, I am not hard on furniture, so I don't know if this is like a bias. I live alone, I'm the one using it. Like, I'm not hard on furniture at all. So like, it's not tearing, it's not ripping, like it looks in the best shape. The only thing I will say is that this nightstand over here, I think looks a little bit lighter than this one. And I think it's because the window is over here, so the light from the sun is washing the color out a little bit. So I feel like if I put all of the furniture next to each other, it might be different shades because oversigned, the sun is really beating this one up. But it still looks good. So I'll show you guys a full clip of, I don't want to show too much, but I'll show you a full clip of like what it looks like currently. And I think the knobs that I got from Amazon is the perfect like chef's kiss. I will be linking those down below. I originally got those knobs to replace my kitchen cabinet knobs, which I have not done yet, so I'm TBD. That will be coming in the future. But I love bringing it into the space because it makes it feel a little bit more luxe. And then also they're the same knobs that I have in my bathroom, which we'll save for a future video as well. So I hope you like this video, you guys. This was a super quick and easy way to kind of upgrade and upcycle old furniture that you have to make it look new and also make it look like a set. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, okay? Leave me a comment, let me know what you think about how it turned out, and subscribe, okay? Because we have part 3 coming up next. You don't want to miss it. See you all in the next video. Bye.